Best 3D printers for beginners are designed to be easy to set up, reliable, and user-friendly, helping new users learn 3D printing without frustration. Most models include features like auto bed leveling, simple controls, and stable print quality, making them perfect for starting creative projects at home while you build your skills. Starting at number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer is a high-speed, beginner-friendly 3D printer built for fast, precise, and reliable printing. It features a Core XY all-metal structure for stability, fully automatic bed leveling for easy setup, and a powerful direct extruder that can reach high temperatures for printing a wide range of materials. With a maximum print speed of up to 600 mm, a 280 degrees detachable nozzle, and a build volume of 220 x 220 x 220 mm, it's designed to handle everything from prototypes to detailed models efficiently. Its smart features like quick nozzle changes, strong cooling system, and stable vibration control make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced makers looking for speed and quality. Number 2. Longer LK5 Pro 3. The Longer LK5 Pro 3 is a large-format FDM 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want a spacious build area and stable performance at an affordable level. It offers a generous printing size of 11.8 to 15.7 inches, 300 to 300 400 mm, giving you plenty of room for bigger models, prototypes, and creative projects. The printer comes about 95% pre-assembled, making setup relatively easy even for first-time users, and it includes a strong triangular frame for better stability during printing. It features an upgraded TMC 2209 motherboard for quieter operation and smoother motion control, along with resume printing support so your work can continue after power interruptions. Being open source, it also allows upgrades and customization for more advanced users. Number 3. Creality K2 SE 3D Printer. The Creality K2 SE 3D printer is a high-speed and advanced 3D printing machine designed for users who want fast performance and high-quality results. It supports printing speeds of up to 500 mm while maintaining stability through its solid metal frame construction. With a build volume of 220 on 215 on 245 mm, it is suitable for a wide range of creative and technical projects. The printer features automatic bed leveling for easy setup, a direct drive extruder for precise filament control, and a quick swap nozzle system for convenient maintenance. Number 4. Creality K2 Plus Combo. The Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D printer is a next-generation high-speed printer designed for advanced creators who want powerful performance and multicolor printing capabilities. It supports ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 mm while maintaining precision through its full auto-leveling system and upgraded direct drive extruder. With a large build volume of 13.78 with 13.78 and 13.78 inches, it is ideal for big models, prototypes, and complex projects. This printer also features the new CFS multicolor system for detailed and vibrant prints, along with dual AI cameras that help monitor printing in real time for better accuracy and error detection. Number 5. Creality K2 Pro Combo. The Creality K2 Pro Combo. A 3D printer is a high-performance, next-generation 3D printer built for speed, precision, and advanced multicolor printing. It supports printing speeds of up to 600 mm while maintaining excellent stability and detail, making it suitable for both professional and creative projects. With a large 300 mm build volume, it provides plenty of space for bigger models and complex designs. It features the CFS system for multicolor printing, along with dual AI cameras that monitor the printing process for improved accuracy and error detection.